Okay. Let's make some pancakes. Okay, eggs. Just put them in.
You should put 4 in because we're making a double batch.
Okay.
That's for making bread.
You can use it for anything, really.
Your mom's for making bread.
What?
A KitchenAid is magical.
No,
You got it right.
that's in the kitchen.
Yeah, my mom got hers a little while ago. Our moms have KitchenAids.
You don't want to go,
Sora,
right?
you have a mom? I have a mom? Ew. That's racist.
Come on.
No. Okay.
Oh, I need a measuring.
Where's the lunch?
The measuring thing still has stuff from the sea salt ice cream in it.
Yummy. Rinse it out. That's delicious. Okay.
It must be hard now.
Okay, you can beat this in now.
Trust me, you don't want to go really high.
I know. It's not even plugged in.
You're so smart at it.
It's so smart. Catch. I will get. Other eggs getting beaten in it. Like, seriously, they're like not getting beaten.
Then go higher.
They're not getting. Look at this. Oh wait, now they are. I got you. It says beat in milk and oil. Where are the cups? Measure it, Sora.